Mr. Greg L. Pineda has exemplified what it means to be a true Crucian. A proud alumnus of Holy Cross College High School Batch 1980, Mr. Pineda's journey is a testament to perseverance, intellect, and service. He pursued a Bachelor of Arts in Economics and later earned a Master in Business Administration, both from the University of the Assumption. Continuing his pursuit of excellence, he completed a Bachelor of Laws at East Central Colleges and a Master in Development Management at the Development Academy of the Philippines.
Kasi sa Holy Cross, you walk the talk. Yun siguro yun. Parang pag sinabi nila, parang they have the moral ascendancy to say so. Mataas ang kanilang they have high moral standards and hindi mo ma-question ang integrity ng mga daling teacher. I cannot cite individual teachers, baka mayroon akong ma-miss. But wala kaming nakitang hindi magkakatularan. They always value morality, the sense of what's right from wrong, to distinguish what's right from wrong. So yun, that's why the disciplining part, hindi rin namin kahit pinagagalitan kami, hindi naman namin binibigyan. Because we knew that they had the moral ascendance to do that.
For more than 3 decades, Mr. Pineda has dedicated his life to public service and national development. His long and distinguished career at the National Economic and Development Authority, or NEDA, reflects his deep commitment to good governance and nation building. He served as Assistant Secretary for Regional Development and Corporate Affairs at NEDA, Director for Financial Planning and Management Staff, Chief Economic Development Specialist, NEDA Region 3. His expertise guided policies on regional development, investment programming, project management, and public finance.
Actually, to be honest, ako na, alam mo, baka 1985, yung transition from the dictatorship to democracy. Mahirap ang buhay no. Mahirap makahanap ng trabaho. In fact, mayroon akong pinasukan when I graduated in 1985. Parang parang yung mga educational plans. Kung mahirap, wala ka namang kilala medyo may kaya, they would not invest for the future education of their children. They would rather spend the money outright to provide for their daily needs. Kasi nag-start yung yung Holy Cross College, first batch niya, 1985 yun. Sabi ng lolo ko, kasi ang lolo ko, gusto niya yung Holy Cross. Kasi ang talagang nag-establish yung Lansangan family, kamag-anak ni lolo. So kaya gusto niya parang pagka-graduate ko, makakontribute din ako sa Holy Cross. So nag-prepare sa akin yon sa tingin ko lang, of course, maaari mong bigyan ng iba't ibang pangalan yun. But I think it was God's will. After 3.5 years ko sa Holy Cross College as an instructor, that has taught me to become, for entrance examination, admission test. Marami kasi yan. It's a battery of tests sa NEDA. Mahirap pumasok dyan. Sa bayan ko, the batch ko, pumasok ako dyan. They come from top universities from all over the country.
For his outstanding achievements in government service and public administration, and for bringing pride and honor to his alma mater, Holy Cross College proudly recognizes Mr. Greg L. Pineda, Most Outstanding Alumni 2025.